Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add echo effects in audio in CapCut audio. So, if you want to have a dramatic effect on your audio, you can use the echo effects to turn your audio or music into a dramatic one, and here I'm going to show you how you can do that on CapCut. First, let's launch the CapCut app. Okay, let's skip the ad, and now you can just tap on the new project and start your project, the video that you want to edit. For example, in here I'm going to just use one from the CapCut library. Okay, let's just use this one. Can tap on add. Okay, so this is the video, and here I'm going to just use a voiceover that I want to add the echo effect with. You can just tap on add audio, and here I'm going to find the record option. Just tap on this microphone icon, say allow the CapCut to record the audio. Tap again. Okay, so let's start. Hey guys, so this is how you can add echo effect to your audio in CapCut. You can tap on the microphone again to stop. And here I'm going to add the echo effect. So let's just click on the audio and find the audio effects in here. And under the voice filter, you can just scroll down until you find the echo effect. So there's this echo plus and radiant echo, echo 2. So apparently there are lots of echo audio effects that you can use. Okay, so this is just the basic echo. Let's hear it first.
Hey guys, so this is how you can add echo
Okay,
effect
so
to your
that's how
audio
it
in
look
CapCut.
like. Okay, let's try this one, white spooky
Hey
echo.
guys, so this is how you can add echo effect to your audio in CapCut.
Radiant echo,
Hey guys, so this is how you can add
or
echo
the
effect.
echo 2,
Hey guys, so this is how you can add echo
or the
effect to your.
echo plus.
Hey guys, so this is how you can add
I
echo
think I
effect to your
like
audio in
the
CapCut.
echo, this one, the radiant echo, the best.
Hey guys, so this is how
If you
you
want
can
to
add.
adjust it, you can click on the settings again and adjust the strength of the echo to how you like it. And when you're
Hey
done,
guys,
just
so
click
this
on a
is how
check
you can
icon.
add echo effect.
And that's it. That's how you can add echo effects to your audio. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.